Welcome to All About Asparagus. Today we're diving deep into one of the world's most beloved spring vegetables. Asparagus is not just a side dish. It's a versatile and highly nutritious vegetable with a fascinating history and many varieties. What exactly is asparagus? It's a perennial flowering plant species. The edible part is the young shoot, harvested in spring, known for its unique, tender flavor. While green asparagus is most common, you can also find white asparagus, often grown underground for a milder taste, and purple asparagus, which is sweeter and typically smaller. Beyond taste, asparagus packs a powerful nutritional punch, offering a wealth of health benefits that make it a superb addition to any diet. It's notably high in vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood clotting, vitamin A for vision, and folate, which is critical for cell growth and DNA formation. Asparagus also contains potent antioxidants like vitamin E and glutathione, which help protect your cells from damaging free radicals. To get the most out of your asparagus, you need to know how to pick the best spears and keep them fresh at home. When shopping, look for firm, straight stalks with tight, closed tips and a vibrant, bright green color. Avoid any that look wilted or dull. To store, trim the ends and stand the spears upright in a jar with an inch of water. Then cover the tips loosely with a plastic bag and refrigerate for maximum freshness. Asparagus is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in countless ways to enhance its natural flavor. Some of the simplest and best methods include roasting with a little olive oil and salt, quickly steaming to keep it crisp, or grilling for a smoky char. For quick ideas, try adding chopped asparagus to pasta, stir-fries, omelets, or simply serving it alongside grilled salmon or chicken. To wrap up, asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse that's delicious and easy to prepare, making it a perfect vegetable for everyone. Remember its high vitamin content, antioxidant benefits, and wonderful versatility in the kitchen. We encourage you to experiment with new ways to enjoy asparagus this season. Happy cooking!